Hi, this is Celine from Chinese Learning. This time I will introduce a popular Chinese phrase, 我太难了, which means it has been so difficult for me. This phrase is often used to describe sad feelings. When you finished something that is particularly difficult for you, then you can say 我太难了. For example, 我昨天加班到半夜，我太难了。我昨天加班到半夜，我太难了。Have you learned how to use the sentence? That's all for today's lesson. Thanks for watching. What would you like to learn more about? Suggest your topic and comment below. We'd like to hear from you. See you next time.